The Umsaitprah River View Ecotourism Project located in Umsaitprah village was officially inaugurated on Wednesday with the objective of promoting tourism and boosting the local economy. The initiative was made possible through the Corporate Social Responsibility (CSR) efforts of HDFC Bank under the HDFC Parivartan sponsored scheme. The inauguration ceremony was presided over by R.R. Karbuki, the local MDC of Umroi constituencies, and various other distinguished leaders from the area, along with the local residents of Umsaitprah village. The objective is to attract a steady flow of tourists to the eco-tourism site, contributing to the economic growth of the local community by providing an enticing tourist destination.